Hey, we're making a Zoom background. So first thing that you're going to do is you're going to drop an image that represents yourself, your spark, what you're passionate about on your desktop, just like I did. All right, now you're going to open up your browser, so whichever one you like to use, Safari, Chrome, doesn't matter. Hit new window. You're going to type in zoom.us. And then when yours opens, you'll probably have to log in for the first time. Mine's already logged in, but it'll be in the upper right corner. And then I'm going to hit my account. Okay, so you're going to notice mine opens up to my main screen. Some of them won't, but you're going to go up to profile up there in the corner. And you're going to click that little button there, and it's going to expand, and it's going to show you settings. Click settings. So it's either going to be in a menu bar on the side, or you're going to have to scroll forever. But what you're looking for is called In Meeting Advanced Settings. So you're going to have to scroll down for quite a ways. Almost there. And there we go. Now you'll see the button called Backgrounds, and you're going to enable the virtual backgrounds, just like that. And make sure that it shows up. Then you're going to hit Manage Virtual Backgrounds, and now you can just drag and drop your image from your desktop. Okay, and accept that. And it's just going to take a couple seconds for it to show up there at the bottom. What we're going to do is you're going to find where your Zoom app is. Mine is right on my bar at the bottom, but if you have a Mac, you might need to use Spotlight to find it, or you can search for it in your applications. I'm just going to open mine up. I'm going to go to this gear in the corner right here, and then I'm going to go to Backgrounds and Filters. Okay, so if your background doesn't show up right away, what you'll need to do is just click on it, and it'll show up. Now, if it shows up and it's going over your face and stuff, like, you can't help that little bit there, but I'm going to click this button here, get rid of it, and you'll notice I have a little hashtag thing. Wherever you touch with the hashtag is where your background is going to show up. So I want my background behind me, and there you go. There's your background. All right, so time for you to give it a try.